And finally, the Minister for Information and Communication, Hon Sam George, also replied to critics concerning the arrest of Abu Trica. No, on say area no TikTokers no ebedi Sam George atem. Ese adentina one on create adwuma ma youth na nyeye. Ba youth na nkasa de nyansa kwan episka Sam George ese ontiase. Ema youth no be di natem e wo media ne so. Sam George aba reply. Me ma onkyere mu no akere wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Me so asa ni di mo. Obe like video no other ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update na be chile wa adwen de ama me. E wo comment section so ba so. No share for so anya biare. It was on Thursday, 11th December 2025. And about say Abu Trica aguna sueduru billionaire Elon Musk ya be china to mu FBI a post no a Department of Justice from the Office of the Attorney General of North Ohio in USA. Omo make it that publication omo chire mu say omo abanan abefa Abu Trica de ne ko. Omo say nyina ne say Abu Trica he is into scamming. Ama omo scamming USA and papa penifo wo mfie no kwa ni mu. What scamming omo to the sum amount of $8 million. I can enyeska kuma beka ya 2023 na Abu Trica ebomu wane pa e ma na cars de o tire cars pia Abu Trica tire cars efia Abu Trica esi e wo aguna suedu no is legon fie kura enyina nche efia young guy wodam na enye fikuma and you know prior to his arrest no e ba ye say that night na e be che Abu Trica no ne guy na no ni date ne queen ano na wo baba akono guy ne ye fast e ko ni social media handles so nyina video bia one Abu Trica ye wo delete picture bia one Abu Trica twa post ye wo delete ya gani pese ba be chini bi what as e wo dwane gadi dwane am wo delete now you know concern the arrest of Abu Trica no Sam George our information minister e make post ana o kire mu se o ma ya de Cyber Security Authority for Oma Yade as Oma Timi Akwache Abu Trica. Now even Krano, there are other threes to go.
You realize that just yesterday, one of my agencies, the Cyber Security Authority, picked up an individual who is supposed to be successful. There's no peace with that kind of success. And there are 3 more we're picking up in the next few days. Because we're cracking down on cybercrime. And so cybercrime does not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, your houses away from you. But what you know and what you've learned cannot be taken away from you. And so education is the priceless gift that a child can get from their parents. And so I urge all the young kids to take their education serious. I am living proof that education pays. You understand me? And so our teachers, like I pointed out to them, I urge them to be patient with the kids. Today's children live in a difficult world. The distractions of the internet and technology is enough to take them away from the classroom. And so we need to give them, we have to be patient enough to give the children the impetus to stay in the classroom.
Finally, as we tell any patribo no more, omono, they are still investigation course continuously. As a bubo omua, it will come to the limelight. Omeba abechi womu ama media so ya bete ho asem. Ama adu e ba ye no. TikTokers ni ebufu pa ese one enwuma ni honomo and this promise that 24-hour economy say obi abenya adwuma ye but omba ye no ye hu hwe ente hwe na say you to now so do ma adwene bi timrofo no eje kakra fi honomo a that's how you so we chom de ehene ha etema media no so no TikTokers no ebebobo o ma adwen kire Sam George
Honorable Sam George Hon Sam bia okeka no sebi ento asumu enya nko ana oye ndisi ni o Yama opposition no nkyere se we NDC ni sin obia wate ye de NDC ba power se omra no mbehwe oman ni suye omodi oman ni sika no ombra no ombe arrest no omgigi sika no na omfa hwe oman ni mfa maye amanfo awia bode just 1 year ni ye jeli nipa more than 1000 kenofurata afa oman ni sika amanfo wa MPP ni omodi oman ni sika muntimi nchi obia muntimi njeli obia no obia frodo obi wa Abu Trica sabi ono na ese mukota ata na muche no yamfa NDC amase omunkro eno munkota ata YouTube emeka nsem bi na YouTube ni bu mfu se ne ase de NDC bae no omutata youth Sam George hwe okasa ye na nya nkwa na ye NDC ni Abu Trica onya obone akwala ne nya obone bone bi na waye baabi oye ne bone no obenya ho aketua wo ho Sam
Omaya yetim NDC for mobile power mo share boss. It's all mama, maybe my 24 hours economy. She say almost 1 year, no 24 hours economy. Sam George. Sam George. 2028, you better get ready for me. Abu Trica no me no. I will make sure say you pay. I will make sure say may campaign against you. I will make sure so you remember the day I will make a boys no. Not because of anything no. It's because of say when you bring for Sam George when you brady when you bring boys no. Omo nwi aga na sika no mo de yi o. Se o se o yire na hwe o meboa. Omo nwi aga na sika o. The same thing and amrofo ye ya omo de ye. Into what difference does it make? I didn't know amrofo we you go the team by nema e de ye omo krom ye. Hwe boy si ejapade o man ye wo Ghana. Enye wo man en kaminim se Ghana ye wo $5 million home. E wo Ghana. Ade na what is what do when you see boys no so on say my first video make I say empanyimfo bi hyechi na me ni sika me de betwe manso it is a Sam George and ede no aba was saying catch say there's 3 more people out there and then Sam George only Ghana youth any year me pay want to say ka face the country ye be defend ye be Abu Trica lawyer so that we contest the law e ni bre NDC for money bre no money brave boys no meboa mo tina o memu bo man no kro no ade na mo nya opportunity a mo so mo use the same no emfa nwa amorofo no na mo de wia Ghana man o mo ne mo na ye wudi for Sam George we any brave for 2028 I will make sure say on pesua so mo nto abama wo de dey me o yo mambo for pa o ka ti anye fibi
if you mo one thing I hate about this man particularly, Nadia Mimpe, this is Okasa too much. Sam George, you talk too much, Mr. Minister. Say government, our planning be so bad bia. Don't come out and say it before. You are communication minister. Know how to communicate and as a national security eyimu any question about kase very soon ba be binumo. May I agree with you that these fraud guys is getting too much and nkorani wu nisa nyamanu na ye kunkorano beniha amabai yesi yechi omuti say the president is against. But Mr. African president, say school, a school one thing nobody can take it away from you. Yes, we know. Have you created job? What creative job? What creative job be for the youth? No creative job. Mu can be na young guys need got to galamsey and those fraud because you are not creating any job for the youth.
Na eno ana anya Sam George so de eda with Sam George so aba reply wo. Na we ene nsem a Sam George eka.
Our country's image and reputation. One of the individuals who we picked up recently, about 3 weeks ago, is a Nigerian who defrauded an elderly romance scam artist, and it was flagged as a Ghanaian operation. But when we took the information and did surveillance and identified the individual and arrested the person, turned out it wasn't a Ghanaian, it was a Nigerian who was doing this in Ghana. But what happens is Ghana gets flagged for it. And so it's important that we clean our system. We're not going after people who are doing legitimate work. No. We're going after people who are giving us a bad image. One bad nut will spoil the entire soup, and we'll take that bad nut out.
No, but beyond Abu Trica, how is the second more such arrest in the coming days?
There are several operations underway. We are working on several operations, and we're confident that we did the first 4 that was public. We've done in between that and now we've done a number of them. And let me just make the point clear. The Cybersecurity Authority is not just going after only requests from the FBI. We've arrested, this year alone, we've arrested over 300 people involved in collaboration with the police CID who've been involved in mobile money fraud. Yeah, so it's not just the FBI. So people think that we're just going after the high-profile ones. Over 300 people. In fact, in one bust alone, we saved 425 people who were being human trafficked here in Ghana. They had been brought in from the rest of Africa by Chinese and Nigerian operators, locked up in a house in Dodowa, and they were being made to do cyber fraud against their will. Right here in this constituency, in Committee 25, we did a bust. We arrested 135 Nigerians. So we are doing operations. This year alone, mobile money fraud, we went after people as far as Anlonga. We busted a big syndicate in Anlonga about 4 months ago. Arrested the leader of the gang and 7 other members of his gang. They've been responsible for several impersonations of ministers and MPs. So it's not just the FBI. We're working. We do our work very quietly but very efficiently. And let me commend the team at the Cybersecurity Authority for the work they're doing, and say a very big thank you to the Police CID Director General, to our friends and sisters, colleagues at the NIB, at NACOC, and at Signals Bureau for working closely with us to execute these operations. So I've seen a number of comments on social media saying that this is not what we voted for you for. You're going after the fraud boys. Leave them alone. You're not creating jobs. But those same people are asking me to get PayPal to monetize. Those same people are asking me to get TikTok to monetize and Meta to monetize. Well, they will blacklist Ghana so long as there's fraud happening in Ghana. The reason why PayPal left Ghana is because of fraud. And so if you have a few people depriving the majority of people who are doing legitimate work on social media, content creators, the reason you can't monetize and get value for your craft is because a few people have chosen to give Ghana a bad name. We will take action. And let this be clear. This action of clamping down on cyber fraud didn't start today. The FBI did not make the request today. Those requests were pending before I became minister. But in the past, people were leaking the information to the targets and helping them evade arrest. I made a commitment when I became minister that anything that we will do to clean up the image of Ghana internationally, we will. Because as we clamp down on cybercrime, it makes our case stronger as we talk to the platforms to monetize and say that, look, Ghana is a peaceful destination, it's a safe haven, and that illicit flows will not come through here. The excuse and argument that there are no jobs, then should we say that then we shouldn't arrest armed robbers as well, because everybody will have a reason for crime.
Comment section. Penyah Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!